Annyeonghaseyo. I have bought this chopping board from IKEA, solid wood, Proppmatt. I think today's DIY project is to feed this chopping board with organic oil. I am going to use this olive oil to nourish this solid wood chopping board. Yeah. Raw and rough. This is how I'm going to lubricate my chopping board before I start using it. After a first layer, apply a second layer. Now remember, at the back, at this edge, and the inner ring here, all has to be evenly applied. Look like it's drying up. And after this, I'm going to apply the finer layer again at the top, bottom, and also at the edge. And my old IKEA legitimate chopping board plastic, it looked really exhausted and tired. It's going to go to the bin soon. Now it is done. My new chopping board.